Hi everyone, TPS Miner here. Welcome back to the TPS Miner channel. Today I want to do a quick video on how I use what to mine to help me decide what coins I should spec mine and when. So for those of you that have been following the channel, you do know that I do like to spec mine some coins, and I use a 1050 Ti 4GB card to do that. And today presented itself with a perfect example of how I use what to mine to decide where to move my 1050 Ti. So this morning I woke up and I took a look, put in my 1050 Ti, and I scrolled down to the different coins and the different estimated rewards and the profits. So as a spec miner, what we're focusing on is not necessarily the short-term profits. We are mining those coins and trying to get as many of them as possible in the hopes that the price of that coin will increase at some point in the future. So if we look at HiveOS, we can see that it's got this red block next to it, and if we hover over that, this tells us that the recent difficulty spike has caused a 2.23 times decrease in the current versus 24-hour rewards. So if we go over here and look at this, we see that the estimated 24-hour reward was 169.8965 ELA coins. The current reward has dropped to 76.5. And we see an increase in the network hash rate, the network difficulty has increased 122.6%. So that hash rate had to have come from somewhere. So let's take a look at some of the other coins here. So I can see that the Raven coin difficulty has dropped nearly 10%. The Ycash difficulty has dropped almost 13%. Some others have increased, some have decreased more than others. And if we scroll down a little bit further, one of the coins that I spec mine is Aeon. And I can see here that the Aeon difficulty has dropped 32.6%. So what does that mean for me? Using my 1050 Ti, I was getting, over the last 24 hours, just over 3 Aeon per day. But because of this significant drop in the difficulty, I can now get 4.5 Aeon per day. So if I were to be mining HiveOS and I see this large increase in network difficulty and the significant decrease in my payouts, I'm going to switch to something else. So I may switch to Raven coin. I may switch to Aeon. I currently am mining Aeon, so I don't need to switch to it. But this is a small little trick that I use because I am spec mining and I am trying to collect as many of these coins as possible without selling. I'm not concerned about what the daily profits are. I'm concerned about how many tokens I can get per day. So if we go over here and look at HiveOS, you can see that the price has increased 79%. So what's happening is miners are chasing profits. As a spec miner, I'm not trying to chase short-term profits. What I'm trying to do is accumulate as many tokens as possible. So again, just a little tip, a little trick that I use. If you found this tip to be useful, please hit that like button, give us that thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you again soon.